Hey guys, welcome back to Sayogini and I hope you guys are doing well. So today is day 7 of our habit building series and I'm going to link the whole playlist over here for you so you can start your yoga journey at any time. So today we will be practicing Parvatasana. If you're someone who's dealing with frozen shoulders or tightness in your upper back, then Parvatasana is going to help to release tension and improve your mobility. So do try to do this and see the change in yourself. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable position. So get onto your mat, sit in a comfortable position, keep your palms on your thighs and slowly close your eyes. And take deep breaths. Take a moment to settle. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears and feel the spine grow long and tall. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Do not arch or hunch your back. Be mindful of your posture. Keep breathing. We will take 3 deep breaths. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Breathe normally and slowly open your eyes. So let's begin with Parvatasana. Keep your hands beside you. Now as you inhale, slowly raise both arms overhead, palms facing each other. Go only as far as your shoulders allow and join your palms. If full extension isn't possible for you, then keep a gentle bend in your elbows, or you can even try to lift one arm at a time. If joining your palms isn't possible, then just keep some distance and try to keep your palms facing each other. Do only as much as your body allows you to and listen to your body. There is no pressure to join your palms. Now feel the stretch along your sides, shoulders and your upper back. Now slowly turn your palms outwards and exhaling, bring your hands down. So we will repeat this 3 times, and if you feel any kind of pain or sharpness, then ease out a bit, listen to your body and do not overdo. Now we will do this with our breath. So inhaling, we'll take our hands up, then we will stay there for 6 counts, and I want you to retain your breath, meaning hold your breath in that time, and then exhaling we'll bring our hands down. So let's do it together. Keep your hands by your side. Inhaling, take your hands up. Stay here, retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your palms outwards. Exhaling, bring your hands down. Slowly feel the stretch. If you are comfortable, you can even close your eyes. 2 more times. Inhaling, take your hands up. Retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your palms outwards and bring your hands down slowly. Inhaling, take your hands up slowly, only as much as you can. Be gentle with your body. Retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn your palms outwards. Exhaling slowly, bring your hands down. Keep your palm on your thigh. Take a normal breath. Let's do 2 shoulder rolls. Inhaling, bring your shoulders in front, up. Exhaling, back and down. Inhaling, front, up, back, down. Now be prepared to keep your hands up for a bit longer. So take your hands by your side. Inhaling, stretch your hands and take them up. Join your palms if possible. You can even bend your elbows. Stay there. Exhale at place. Take a deep inhalation. Now exhaling, twist to your right and retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, twist to your left and retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, twist to the right. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, twist to your left. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, bring your hands down. Turn your palms out and bring your hands down. Slowly. I bet this must have been quite difficult for many of you, but trust me, this is a very good stretch for releasing tension and stiffness from your upper back and your shoulders. We will try one more variation. So when you're ready, take your hands by your side. Inhaling, raise your hands up. Join your palms if possible. Exhaling, bend to your right, only as much as possible. Stay here, retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, bend to your left and retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, bend to your right and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Exhaling, bend to your left. Retain your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling, come back to center. Face your palm outwards and slowly exhaling, bring your hands down. Take deep breaths at place. Relax. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body. Take a moment to notice the difference. A little more ease, a little more space. Keep breathing and relax. Slowly open your eyes. So small mindful practices like this will slowly help you to heal over time, especially with frozen shoulders. So in future, when you feel tightness or stiffness in your shoulders or in your upper back, do come back to this video and practice with me. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do share it with your friends and family, and also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for your time and see you guys in the next practice. Bye bye.